Dear parishioners and Marian devotees, we are now in the last days of November. We are entering a new season in the Church with the first Sunday of Advent. Advent means coming. There are 3 different comings of Christ which we are preparing: past, present, and future. The past, we're preparing for Christmas, the coming of the child Jesus in Bethlehem more than 2,000 years ago. The present, the Lord's continual coming in our hearts, into our lives by grace, through the sacraments, especially the Eucharist, through scriptures, and through the people in our lives. The future, the Lord's second coming at the end of time. Advent is symbolized by the Advent wreath. It emphasizes the contrast between darkness and light. The coming of Jesus is the coming of the light of the world. Its shape is circular, God's complete and unending love for us, a love that made the Father send His only Son to be our Messiah. It has 4 candles, signifying the 4,000 years that humanity awaited for its Savior from Adam to Jesus. Its color is violet, indicating the spirit of prayer and penance that characterize this season as we spiritually await in our darkness with hopeful expectation. On this first Sunday of Advent, we light the first candle symbolizing hope. It is called the Prophet's Candle. Dear parishioners and Marian devotees, may we never lose hope in our daily struggles, because it's the one thing that can get us through the darkest of our times.